6 inches worth of ice in all the water troughs. What's up, guys? Tommy at Monts Family Homestead. Yes, sir. The polar vortex, Arctic, whatever, flash freeze got here. I kid you not. Trying to get everybody taken care of this morning. Of course, everything is froze. Y'all know that. It's nothing new for y'all. Filming with my, you don't need to be going out, sir. Please, thank you. I don't need to do that this morning. But anyway, of course, that's one big block of ice. So we've got to get them some, or him. I got these guys separated a little bit, just because, to let them enjoy, I think, a little separation. I'm not gonna keep you out here like you're out here with me. Well, you are. You're out here with me. But I've got to go down there, and Ryder, I've got to get his water back going again. Chickens, they're still inside the coop. I'm probably gonna leave them in there. Hang on, let me open the door. All right, right quick, because I'm not gonna be out here long. Just as long as I've got to. Yep, Ryder, just hang tough with me, buddy. But like I said, I think I'm gonna but I'm gonna leave the chickens in today. I was kind of worried last night when the temperature did drop to, it was 4 degrees. And like I said, that's kind of rough here. I was worried about our babies, but they're good. They're still hanging in. They got a place to go and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm not gonna be out here long. So anyway, there's our ducks. You guys make it okay? I guess you did. You see how the wind's still blowing here. The feathers are sticking up backwards. Oh me. All right, let me get these all taken care of. And yeah, I don't get cold very often, but right now the temperature is 7. All right, we'll go back in here right quick. We got all them fed. My camera's fogging up underneath it. But just to let you see right quick. Hey, flower, sweet baby girl. Yes, I know it is chilly out here, but you got enough hay and everything, so I think you'll be just fine. Then again, our babies are over here. Mama's doing fine. I just got through breaking all their water. Oh, well, breaking the ice in the buckets over there. Good morning. Yes, I hear you. Give everybody the love this morning. Thank you. There you go. All right, I'm not gonna keep y'all from, are you already chewing on stuff? Already, and you're 3 weeks old and chewing on on some hay. All right, that'll be at the show on, Mama. I know y'all have been as busy as I have trying to take care of all your animals. And you can see behind me, we don't have snow, we don't have ice, anything like that. But what we do have is 6 inches worth of ice in all the water troughs. And that's 3 days that I've actually taken it out, or I say taken it out. I've heated it up the best I can with the sun. Of course, it's cloudy as all get out today. But you break it with your foot, or however you can break it with whatever you can break it with, and you get some fresh water. Now, my dad told me a long time ago, he said, Tom, remember one thing. He says, your animals can do without food for a couple of days. He said, but without water, he said, they'll die. I followed that rule. We had chickens when I was 9, so that's 50 years ago. I followed that rule for the past 2 years that we've had animals, and I haven't lost any because of dehydration. And yes, they will dehydrate in the wintertime just like they will in the summertime. So, just a thought for today, make sure your animals, chickens, waterfowl, whatever you may have, has plenty of water to drink. Some hay, not necessarily a lot, but just enough. All these ladies in here cooking up some wonderful Christmas dishes. My wife is making bruschetta dishes. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's bruschetta bread with tomatoes, minced, let's see, hang on, minced carrots.
It ain't got no carrots.
No carrots?
No, that's the
this one.
Oh, that's the wrong dish. My bad. So that's got,
This is, huh?
that's what? Hold on.
What?
Green onions, mayonnaise,
Green onions, mayonnaise, and
Bacon bits.
bacon bits.
a little bit more bacon bits.
So
You can never have too much bacon in this household. I'll tell you
not
that
enough
right
bacon. Let's see. The other is,
Croissants
I'm
over here.
gonna have to get out of here. Oh yeah, the croissants, the
Sour cream,
sour cream,
ranch dressing.
ranch
now.
dressing.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
ranch dressing, mayo. Where's the carrots and broccoli?
Isn't that cool?
What you do is you spread that on this goodness, then you put that goodness, broccoli and minced carrots, on there,
And then it's heaven in a bite.
3 days later.
Well, guys, I came down and checked on our greenhouse. This just absolutely kills me. Those tomatoes, peppers. I thought I had the heat on. It was before this cold snap got here. I had it set to medium heat. Little did I know, I didn't turn the adjuster knob over there to the on position. So Tommy has absolutely ruined 2 crops of tomatoes. Alicia, she said, "Are you serious?" I said, "I am serious." She said, "Did we have time to start new ones?" I said, "You better bet you." So we're going to start again from scratch. I know it takes 45 days for tomatoes to make. So somewhere around the middle of February, 1st of March, we're still gonna have fresh tomatoes. Guys, what a difference 5 days makes. Friday afternoon, sitting out here on the front porch, 67 degrees. Thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. We've got more videos coming up starting this coming year, and more things we're going to do here on the homestead. So I'll be looking. I hear a turkey somewhere. We got woods on the other side of us. I think the turkey's down in the woods. But anyway, thank you. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, Merry Christmas, and a wonderful New Year. God bless you. And we were looking forward to seeing you in the new year.